Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you a really awesome hair trick or hack or tip with using my sea salt spray Tidal Wave right here. Now Tidal Wave is my #1 selling product. Shop.TheSalonGuy.com and use code YouTube20 for 20% off. This is it right here. Now, if you may or may not know, I've done a lot of videos about my Tidal Wave sea salt spray, and the one thing that's so unique about it that I love, and after my testing on it and with this final formula, is I wanted it to perform in a way that was very unique. And as a professional stylist for over 30 years, I know what hair should be doing. I know what products should be doing to the hair. And I wanted this to really be a unique product that could be used on dry hair and wet hair. And I'm going to show you a really cool technique on what you can do with Tidal Wave. So, all right, so here we have a mannequin, and the hair is fully dry. And as you can see right here, it's basically just hanging down a little bit, nothing crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray 1, maybe 2 spritzes the most of Tidal Wave. All right, so let's do 1 spritz. That's it. So what I want to do is lift up here in the front. So you're going to rake your fingers up, and you're going to spray 1 spray just like that. All right, let's do another one. Okay, so 2 spritzes. Make sure you get it right on the root or the base area and also into the top here. Now, I'm just going to give it a couple of seconds to settle in. And here is where the magic happens. So Tidal Wave really is designed to bind the hair together, especially on finer hair. Okay, that's why you get so much volume when you're blow drying, because it's giving the hair a lot of lift. The sea salt is giving it texture, and it's binding the finer hairs together to make them look fuller. So now here's what we're gonna do. Now what I'm doing is I'm actually just working the product in with my hand like this, and I'm shaping it upwards, okay? And what this is doing is it's actually helping the product absorb into the hair. It's fast acting, fast drying. And what this is doing, it's actually spreading. I'm not using a blow dryer, as you can see. I'm just using my hand, and it's actually starting to form and take shape and get a ton of fullness, right? And this is, again, no heat, no blow dryer. I'm making sure I'm working that product all throughout the base in through here. And look at the amount of volume. Literally, this is all live, real time, in seconds that this created. Look at that. I mean, it's literally insane. If I were to take a blow dryer to this and you wanted to do that, that's totally cool too. But this is just an awesome hair hack or hair trick that if your hair is on the finer side, even if it's thick like this goes to show the power of it, that you can just literally work it in and let it absorb and dry into the hair real time. And look how much volume I got within seconds. So, I mean, there it is right there. And also, that's the biggest difference when it comes to branding. There's a lot of popular brands out there where, one, they're using the same product as 5 or 6 other brands. There's nothing special. It's just all private label product. This is a unique custom formula that I worked really hard on, and I'm bringing you information as a professional hairstylist. I don't show flashy mansions or Ferraris or girls in bikinis all the time, or get in your face and try to sell you on something that's not even reality. I've worked on thousands of clients over the years. My passion, my heart and soul goes into my brand, and I want to be able to provide you with the real, usable, real world content that's not coming. I'm not pulling stuff out of my butt, all right? This is stuff that I'm showing you hair tricks and tips that I think and I've used. That's why I can do them, because I've used them over the years, So I want to bring you a lot of value with not only my products, but the knowledge, the free knowledge that I'm bringing to you. And that's it. So don't forget, use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.